Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy chicken wings in an air fryer. This is the easiest recipe you're ever going to use. They can be coated with your favorite sauce. I'll leave a link to a few of my sauce recipes down below. I'll show you how to make a hot honey sauce at the end of the video. I'm using a little over 2 pounds or 1 kilogram of fresh chicken wings. They've been split into the flats and drumettes. Pat them really dry with paper towels. I'm using this Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer. I'll be putting up a full review of this air fryer on my Best Kitchen Reviews channel if you want to watch it. Take your air fryer basket out and put the tray in. Put the basket into the air fryer, choose air fry, set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and the time to 25 minutes. Press start. Let the air fryer preheat. This will take a minute or two depending on the air fryer. When it's done preheating, it'll say add food. Pull the basket out. I like to coat the tray with a little bit of oil. With any air fryer, don't spray oil directly into the basket. I'm just using a paper towel dipped in vegetable oil, and it's safe to just wipe the tray with that. Put the chicken wings in. Remember, we haven't done anything to the chicken wings. We haven't seasoned them at all because I'm going to be coating them in sauce. Put the basket in, and it's going to start cooking. If you want to eat plain wings, definitely put some seasoning on the wings before you cook them. But if you're coating them in sauce, you really don't need to season the wings at all. They'll be very tasty just with the sauce on them. Take them out after 8 minutes. Flip all the wings over. It's already getting crispy. You can see that. Put the basket back in and continue cooking. After another 8 minutes, take them out and turn them over again. You can see they're getting a nice golden brown color. Put them back in and cook for the remaining 9 minutes. This air fryer has a clear window so you can see what's going on inside. If you're interested in getting an air fryer and want to see reviews of different brands, you can subscribe to my Best Kitchen Reviews channel where I have reviewed a bunch of air fryers. 25 minutes are up. We didn't put any oil on the wings. It's just the high heat and the fat from the chicken skin that makes it very crispy. You can use a thermometer if you want to check if the wings are done. These are about 200 degrees, which are very well cooked. You do want wings to be well cooked. They're so crispy, they're juicy on the inside, they're perfect, they're not dry. At this point, just coat them in your favorite sauce. Buffalo sauce, lemon pepper, whatever you like. I'll show you a quick hot honey sauce. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter and add hot sauce. You can use whatever you'd like. I use Frank's hot sauce. About a 1/4 cup. Let that heat up together and add honey. I added about 5 tablespoons honey. Add 4 tablespoons, see if you like it, and add more if you want. Put the wings in and coat them all over. Because you're coating these wings in sauce, you don't have to season them at all before cooking. These hot honey wings are out of this world. You saw how ridiculously easy it is to make crispy chicken wings in the air fryer. Give these a try and let me know how you like it. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.